George is a young man. He doesn't have a wife, but he has a very big dog. And he has a very small car too. He likes playing tennis. Last Monday, he played tennis for an hour at his club. And then he ran out and jumped into a car. His dog came after him, but it didn't jump into the same car. It jumped into the next one. "Come here, silly dog!" George shouted at it, but the dog stayed in the other car. George put his key into the lock of the car, but the key didn't turn. Then he looked at the car again. It wasn't his. He was in the wrong car, and the dog was in the right one. "He is sitting and laughing at me," George said angrily, but then he smiled and got into his car with the dog.
Hello, my dear students and friends. I hope you are doing very well today. Welcome. This is another lecture with me. Today, there's a story. The story is about a young man. His name is Mr. George, and a dog. Let's get started. George is a young man. George پیاوێکی گەنجە. He doesn't have a wife. خێزانی نییە، ژنی نییە. But he has a very big dog. بەڵام سەگێکی زۆر گەورەی هەیە. And he has a very small car too. و هەروەها سیارەیەکی زۆر بچووکیشی هەیە. He likes playing tennis. ئەو حەزی لە یاریکردنی تێنسە. Last Monday, he played tennis for an hour at his club. دووشەممەی ڕابردوو ئەو یاری تێنسی کرد بۆ ماوەی کاژێرێک لە یانەکەی club یانی وەرزشی. And then he ran out and jumped into a car. و پاشان ئەو ڕای کردە دەرەوە و بازیدایە ناو سیارەیەکەوە. His dog came after him. سەگەکەی هات بەدوایە. But it didn't jump into the same car. بەڵام ئەو واتە سەگەکە بازی نەدایە ناو هەمان سیارەوە. It jumped into the next one. بازی دایە ناو ئەوەی تەنیشتی. Come here, silly dog! George shouted at it. George هاواری بەسەرا کرد وتی وەرە ئێرە سەگی گەمژە. But the dog stayed in the other car. بەڵام سەگەکە لە سیارەکەی تر مایەوە. Stayed مایەوە. George put his key into the lock of the car. George کلیلەکانی خستە ناو قفلی سیارەکە واتە شوێنی سویچەکە بۆی سلف لێبدا. But the key didn't turn. بەڵام کلیلەکە نەسووڕا واتە ئیشی نەکرد. Then he looked at the car again. پاشان ئەو دووبارە سەیری سیارەکەی کردەوە. It was not his. ئەوە هی ئەو نەبوو واتە سیارەکەی ئەو نەبوو. He was in the wrong car. ئەو لە سیارەیەکی هەڵەدا بوو. And the dog was in the right one. و سەگەکەش لە ناو سیارە ڕاستەکەیە بوو واتە لە ناو سیارەکەی خۆیان بوو. بەس جۆرج لە ناو سیارەیەکی هەڵەدا بوو. He is sitting and laughing at me, George said angrily. George بە تووڕەییەوە وتی وا دانیشتووە بە من پێکەنێ. George بە تووڕەییەوە وتی. But then he smiled. بەڵام پاشان زەردەخەنەی کردو and got into his car with the dog. سواری سیارەکە بوو لەگەڵ سەگەکە. Okay, everyone, please try to listen to this a few times if you don't understand well. But if you understand well, okay, let's go to the vocabulary. Well, now let's get started with the vocabularies and the most important sentences. Number 1. He doesn't have a wife. واتە ئەو ژنی نییە. He doesn't have a wife. تکایە لە دوای من دووبارەی کەرەوە. He doesn't have a wife. He doesn't have a wife. He doesn't have a very big house. She doesn't have a husband. She doesn't have a husband. She doesn't have a car. Okay, let's go to number 2. He likes playing tennis. He likes playing tennis. هوايتي یاریکردنی تێنسە. حەزی لێتی. He likes playing tennis. He likes playing music. He likes working here. أو حەزی لێرە ئیش بکە. She likes cooking. أو حەزی لە خواردن ئامادەکردنە. I like playing football. You like drinking coffee. He likes eating dolma. She likes eating kebab. Good. Number 3. Club. Club واتيانا يعني ورزشي. His club يعني كي هي كركا. My club يعني كي من. Our club يعني كمان. Her club يعني كي هي كشكا. His club يعني كركا. Number 4. He ran out. أو ڕای کردە دەرەوە. ڕابردووە. ئەگەر بیکەی بەڕانە بردوو ئەڵێین He runs out. He runs out. أو ڕادەکاتە دەرەوە. But in past we say he ran out. He ran out. She ran out. They ran out. We ran out. We ran out of the club. Ran out. ئەگەر بیکەی بەنەرێنی ئەڵێی He didn't run out. He did not run out. ئەو ڕای نەکردە دەرەوە. Number 5. He jumped into a car. He jumped into a car. بازیدایە ناو سیارەیەکەوە. He jumped into a car. بازیدایە ناو سیارەیەکەوە. ڕانە بردووەکەی پرێزنتەکەی He jumps into a car. باز دەداتە سیارەیەک. بەس لە ڕابردوو ئەڵێین He jumped into a car. ئەگەر بیکەی بەنەرێ He didn't jump into a car. He didn't jump into a car. بازی نەدایە ناو سیارەیەک. He didn't jump into a car. تکایە بەڕێزان لە دوای من دووبارەی کەنەوە ڕستەکان بۆی ڕابی لەگەڵ تەلەفوزە لەگەڵ شێوازی وتنەکەیە. زۆر سوپاس. Number 6. His dog came after him. سەگەکەی هات بەدوایە یعنی دوای کەوت. ئەتوانی بڵێ His dog followed him. بەدوای کەوت. یان ئەشتوانی بڵێ came after. ئەوە ڕابردووە. ڕانە بردووەکەی come after. بۆ نمونە Don't come after me. دوای من مەکەوە یان مەیە بەدوامە. Don't come after the boy. دوای کوڕەکە مەکەوە. مەڕۆ بەدوای کوڕەکەیە. His dog came after him. سەگەکەی هات بەدوایە. If you change to negative, you can say His dog didn't come after him. His dog didn't come after him. Number 7. Same car. Same car. هەمان سیارە. هەمان سیارە. Same pen. هەمان قەڵەم. Okay, we have the same car. ئێمە هەمان سیارەمان هەیە. Oh, good. She has the same pen. Oh, باشە. ئەو هەمان قەڵەمی هەیە. Same car, same pen, same computer, same desk, same teacher. For example, you can say بۆ نمونە توانین بڵێ The same teacher teaches us. هەمان مامۆستا دەرزمان پێ دەڵێ. The same teacher teaches us. Okay, number 8. Silly dog. سەگی گەمژە. Silly man. پیاوی گەمژە. Oh, silly girl. کچی گەمژە. کاتە silly واتە گەمژە. Stupid. Crazy. هاواتاکانی. Number 9. George shouted at it. George shouted at it. George هاواری کرد بەسەریدا. Shout هاوارکردن. Shouted هاواری کرد. George didn't shout at it. George هاواری نکرد بەسەریا. Didn't shout at it. George shouted at me. George بەسەر منە هاواری کرد. Oh no, he didn't shout at me. ئەو هاواری بەسەر منە نەکرد. Shout, shouted. I shouted yesterday. Good. Number 10. The dog stayed in the other car. سەگەکە لە سیارەکەی تر مایەوە. Stayed. Stay مانەوە. Stayed لە ڕابردوو مامەوە. The dog stayed in the other car. سەگەکە لە سیارەکەی تر مایەوە. The dog stayed. Stayed. Last year I stayed in the same hotel. ساڵی پار لە هەمان هۆتێل مامەوە. Okay, you can stay at hotel or you can come to my house. باشە تۆ توانی لە هۆتێل بمێنیتەوە یان بیتە ماڵی ئێمە یان ماڵی من. Stayed. Stayed. Good. Number 11. He looked at the car again. ئەو تەماشای سیارەکەی کرد. دووبارە. Again. Again. دووبارە. He looked at the car again. دووبارە سەیری سیارەکەی کرد. Again. Come here again, please. دووبارە وەرە ئێرە تکایە. Can you read it again? ئەتوانی دووبارە بیخوێنیتەوە؟ I'm gonna call you again. من پەیوەندیت پێواکەمەوە. دووبارە. Good. Number 12. It wasn't his. ئەوە سیارەی ئەو نەبوو. It wasn't his. سیارەی ئەو نەبوو. It was yours. سیارەی تۆ بوو. It was mine. سیارەی من بوو. Mine. It was hers. سیارەی کچەکە بوو. Hers. It was ours. ئەوە هی ئێمە بوو. It was ours. ئەوە هی ئێمە بوو. It was theirs. ئەوە هی ئەوان بوو. It was theirs. ئەوە هی ئەوان بوو. Number 13. The wrong car. سیارە هەڵەکە واتە ئەو سیارەی کە ئەو تیا دانیشتووە هەڵە بوو. The wrong. 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 Your answer is wrong. وەڵامەکەت هەڵەیە. Your answer is wrong. Answer wrong. The wrong answer. Wrong. The wrong car. The wrong paper. Good. Number 14. The right one. Rastaka. The right one. Right one. Rastaka. You are in a right place. تۆ لە شوێنێکی ڕاستی. Right. Right. You choose a right option. تۆ هەڵبژاردنە ڕاستەکە هەڵدەبژێری. Right. Very good. Number 15. He is sitting and laughing at me. ئەو وا دانیشتووە و بە من پێدەکەنێت. He is sitting and laughing at me. ئەو وا دانیشتووە و بە من پێدەکەنێت. Sitting and laughing. Sitting and laughing واتە ئێستا. وا ئێستا پێدەکەنێ و دانیشتووە. At me بە من. Laughing at me بە من پێدەکەنێ. He is sitting and laughing at the boy. ئەو دانیشتووە و بە کوڕەکە پێدەکەنێ. He is sitting and laughing at her. ئەو دانیشتووە و بە کچەکە پێدەکەنێ. He is sitting and laughing at us. ئەو دانیشتووە و بە ئێمە پێدەکەنێ. Number 16. George said angrily. George بە تووڕەییەوە وتی. George said angrily. Angrily بە تووڕەییەوە. Angrily بە تووڕەییەوە. عەکسی angrily calmly. Calmly واتە بەهێمنی بە ئارامی. Calmly. George said angrily. George said calmly. George said angrily. George said calmly. Good. Let's go to the last one. Number 17. He smiled. He smiled. أو زردخانەی کرد. Smile زردخانە. He smiles every day. أو هەموو ڕۆژە زردخانە دەکا. He smiled yesterday. أو دوێنێ زردخانەی کرد. He didn't smile. أو زردخانەی نەکرد. Did he smile? ئایا ئەو زردخانەی کرد؟ Smile. Okay, everyone, thank you very much. If you understand everything, that's okay, and go to the question and answer. But if you didn't understand well and there are new words for you, please repeat it again 2 or 3 times. بەڕێزان ئەگەر بە تەواوی لێی تێگەیشتی ئەتوانی بچیتە سەر وانەی دووەم کە پرسیار و وەڵامە. بەڵام ئەگەر هەندێک وشە و ڕستەی نوێی تایە بۆ تۆی بەڕێست تکایە دووبارەی کەرەوە بۆی بتوانی بەکاری بێنی. Okay, everybody, thank you very much. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.
George is a young man. He doesn't have a wife, but he has a very big dog. And he has a very small car too. He likes playing tennis. Last Monday, he played tennis for an hour at his club. And then he ran out and jumped into a car. His dog came after him, but it didn't jump into the same car. It jumped into the next one. Come here, silly dog! George shouted at it, but the dog stayed in the other car. George put his key into the lock of the car, but the key didn't turn. Then he looked at the car again. It wasn't his. He was in the wrong car, and the dog was in the right one. He is sitting and laughing at me, George said angrily, but then he smiled and got into his car with the dog.